Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special unboxing coming from Caynel on Amazon. Check them out. Link is going to be down below where you guys could get one of these Keep Fresh vacuum sealers. Really cool. I already took it out of the box, so everything's there. We got this little hose. That's for keep your containers fresh. I'll show you in a second what it does. But right now we're going to do a test run with the pretzel. Got a small freezer bag. It came with, I think, like 20 or less, I'm not sure, but somewhere around there. Some extra freezer bags for you, some large sizes and small. So we're going to use this one. Food, you can set it to dry or wet. Manual, you could do seal and then vacuum seal. We're going to hit that. There she goes. And that's it. Alright, we'll press seal. There we go. I think it's done. Alright, and then for this, there's the two side buttons. Click it up. Oh wow, look at that. It's sealed. Holy smokes. It's kind of warm, so be careful. Make sure you unplug it when you're done, but holy smokes, it sealed it. Definitely really cool. Cool stuff. Got one pretzel for later. You know, good for other things also, so definitely check them out, YouTubers. But this I believe is for container that I don't have really anything to show you to demo with, but I'll show you for a brief second. You just gotta hook it up to the top part inside there and have it in its container, and that does for to seal the containers better. It's like a vacuum chamber for food. So, and really cool stuff though. So thank you guys at Caynel and YouTubers. Check them out. Links gonna be down below. And you guys have a good one. Be safe. And I got a couple more coming up. See you in a few.